Industry consumes about one-third of the total energy demand. For sustainable decarbonization of this sector, it is essential to identify and implement all possible renewable energy sources. Solar heat is a key technology in this field. Hi, I am Hasima, one of the technical team members from UNIDO MAEESTA project. This tutorial series is supported by UNIDO's project to provide fundamental knowledge on solar heat for industrial processes called SHIP. Are you interested in thermal energy efficiency and the possibility to use solar thermal technology? Join us in our videos and get in contact with us. Solar energy is for free and available all over the world. Depending on the location of your country, the horizontal solar irradiation varies between 800 up to 2,700 kWh per square meter. The use of energy sources is feasible in most regions. You just have to choose the best technology for the best concept. Malaysia is in a lucky situation as other tropical countries near the equator, receiving more than 1,500 kWh/m² yearly. So obviously, the use of solar energy in this country is a very good option for both power generation and even more efficient for heating purposes. Malaysia energy supply is predominantly dependent on fossil fuel, with more than 40% coming from natural gas, 30% from crude oils, and another 22% from coal. The share of renewable offers a huge potential for improvement. The industry sector alone contributes 29% of the total energy consumption. So it is obvious that decarbonization can only be achieved by a tailor-made solution for this sector. The industry sector itself is quite diverse. Iron and steel, chemical, non-metallic mineral product, and food use high share of energy. So addressing this subsector is important, but we shall not forget also the other companies. In general, only 26% of the energy demand in industry is caused by real electricity demand, while the rest of 74% is used for industrial heat and cooling. More important to note that about 50% of the heat is needed in low and medium temperature range up to maximum 400 degrees C. Processes such as boiling, cleaning, drying, or distilling and melting. A temperature range perfectly feasible for solar heating technologies. As said, Malaysia is blessed with sunny days throughout the year. This eternal abundant source of energy could be the game changer for Malaysia's energy security. Its availability is eternal, which requires no transportation, no taxation, and is independent of geopolitical crises. It is free on resource to be harvested throughout the year. There are different possibilities to use this source, either to produce electricity or to generate heat. You just have to select the right collector technology. Let's focus on the solar thermal technology to produce heat and efficient way to do so. Solar thermal technologies apply different types of collector to supply heat at different temperature levels. Non-concentrating technologies as flat plate and evacuated tube collectors are suitable for low temperature processes up to 150 degrees C, also during cloudy days. Whereas concentrating collector as parabolic throw or Fresnel collector need direct sunlight, but are able to provide significantly higher temperature. The solar thermal system itself is a standardized and state-of-the-art technology. A collector harvests the solar energy, generating heat transported by hot water, oil, or air to a storage, enabling the supply also during night and rainy days. From there onwards, the energy is used to supply the industrial processes via the optimized integration point in the energy system, optionally supported by a backup system. Especially in regions with very low solar irradiation, this might be necessary. In Malaysia, due to high irradiation throughout the year, very high solar fraction rates can be achieved, making the energy system renewable. Explaining this for the example of a drying process, one of the most energy-consuming processes in industry. The solar collector converts the energy from sunlight into heat. By this, cold water is heated up, transporting this energy to the storage. If the drying process needs energy, the hot water is taken out of the storage, supplying the renewable heat. A standardized concept implemented in a lot of companies worldwide. In order to identify the optimized solar concept, experts are trained to ensure highest quality. The starting point is always an energy assessment in the industry to know about the existing system as well identifying internal optimization measures as excess heat recovery. The objective is always efficiency first. The assessment is analyzing the overall efficiency, the production schedule, the yearly fuel consumption, and production capacity. If necessary, some minor measurements have to be performed to acquire missing data, such as temperature, flow, or pressure as basis for the demand load setting. After the identification of internal optimization, the available areas for solar collector either on the ground or on the roof are collected and the optimized integration concept for solar heat is evaluated. At the end, a ready-to-implement concept is available, acting as basis for the real implementation of the system. Ship is ready to go. There is huge potential for application of solar thermal system for low and medium temperature process heat. By substituting fossil fuels, carbon emissions are significantly reduced and a key technology for decarbonization is ready to support your vision. Interested? Contact us and follow our tutorial video series. My name is Hasima and the UNIDO team is looking forward to support you.